children, how are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy. It's happy to connect with you all. I am Reshma Kaur here. Due to coronavirus, you got so many holidays. But now it's time to learn new things in a new way. It means you have to watch the video classes carefully and need to complete your worksheets on daily basis. Children, let's see yesterday's math worksheet answers.
Children, you should write the question number and write the answers in your notebook neatly. Okay, children, you should write the question number correctly and write the answers in your notebook neatly. Okay, children? Children, now let's see the first bit. What is the first bit? Write the first letter of the tall object and name the short object in your notebook. Okay? What is the first one? The first picture is glass. And the second picture is tree. So, first picture is tall or short? Short. So, for short, what I said to write? Name. So, name I given there, no? Glass. That only you should write in the dash. And the second picture is what? Tree. Yes. So, for tree, what you should write? Only the first letter. So, for the tall object, you should write only first letter. So, what is the first letter in the tree? T. Very good. Write the T in the dash. Okay. Now, second question. What are the two pictures in the second question? The first picture is bungalow. And the second picture is candle. And so, bungalow is short or tall? Tall. So, for tall, what we should write? Only first letter. Very good. So, in bungalow, what is the first letter? B. Write that B in the dash. And what is the next picture? Candle. Very good. So, candle is short or tall? Short. So, for short, what we should do? What we should write? We should write only name. So, candle name is there, no? That name as it is, you write in the dash. Okay? Now, see the second bit, children. Name the big object in the given pictures. Okay? They are given two pictures. Which picture is big in the two pictures? Car or ball? Car. So, you should write the name of the car in the dash. Children, now see the second question, second one. Name the small object. Here, they are given two pictures, children. Okay. In these two pictures, which one is small? You should write the name. What are the two pictures names, children? What is the first picture name? Cup. Second picture name? Umbrella. So, in these two pictures, which is small? Cup or umbrella? Cup. So, you should write the name of the cup in the blank. Okay, children? Understood? Right. Now, see the third bit, children. Write the name of the things in the group that has more objects. Okay? First one, in the basket we have how many fruits? 3. In the second box, we have how many balls? Count, children. 16. Okay? So, which are more, children? Yes, balls. So, you write the name of the ball in the dash. Okay? You should write the name of that picture. Second one. What is there in the first picture? Chicks. How many are there? 4. In the second picture, flowers. So, there are bunch of flowers. Means many. So, which are more? Flowers. So, write that in the dash. Okay, children? See the fourth bit, children. Write L for the object that is long and S for the object that is short in the given box. Now see the first one. What is that picture name? Pencil. Second picture name is key. Is pencil is short or long? Long. So what letter you should write for long? L. And key is short or long? Short. So you should write the letter yes. Okay. In the box you should write the children. Okay. Second one. In second one also they are given two pictures. What is the first picture name? Spoon. And the second picture name is bat. What is the name of the second picture? Bat. Spoon is short or long? Short. So what letter we should write here in the box? Yes. And bat is long. Okay. So what letter we should write for long? L. Okay, children. Fifth bit. Look at the picture and write the correct word. See the picture, children. First picture. What is the name of that picture? Leaf. So, leaf is heavy or light? Light. So, what you should do? Light word you should write. Okay? Understood? And second one. Table. Table is heavy or light? Heavy. So, what you should do? You should write the name of the heavy down. Down or side also you can write, children. Okay? Now, sixth bit, children. Name the one that is different. So, in the first one, what is the first picture? Grapes. And second picture name is fish. Third one, mango. So, here, grapes, fish and mango, three pictures they are given. In the three pictures, grapes and mangoes are fruits. Fish is water animal. So, that is different, no? Isn't it, children? So, that you should write it side. Fish. Okay, fish name you should write the side. F-I-S-H, fish, you should write it side. Because that is different, no? That's why. Second one. Kite, butterfly and duck. Okay? In this, which one is different? Yes, kite. So, you should write kite name side. Okay? Very good. Now, last one. Draw the picture and color it. Children, this you can draw and you can color it by yourself. And you can see how many triangles are there, how many squares are there. Okay? Okay, children.
Today I am here to teach you English. Lesson 1, all about Rani. Let's start the lesson.
Children, tell me, when we meet someone at first time, we introduce ourselves to them, right? So like very firstly, we tell our name and age, then where we live. Kids, do you know where we live? Yes, in Hyderabad. And then about your school and class and also about your family and hobbies. So today, let us know about Rani. Rani is a name of a girl. Shall we get into our lesson? This is Rani, whom we talk about, and she lives in Mumbai as we live in Hyderabad. She is 5 years old and she also studies in class 1 like you children. She likes to play football with her friends. Children, what is your favorite game? This is Rani's mother. She works in an office. She likes to read. Kids, Do you like to read storybooks? Yes. And do you know, children, office is a place where people work. This is Rani's father and he is a doctor. Children, do you know what doctors do for us? When we fall sick, they give medicines to us. Rani's father works in clinic. He likes to sing. Clinic means where doctor treats the patients when they are sick. Children, today I will give you an assignment. I want you all to write in the classwork notebook with neat handwriting. Okay, children? Now, let me read it for you. Write new words which we have learned in our class in your notebook. Now, answer to these questions. First question, who is Rani? Let me repeat. First question, who is Rani? Second question, how old is she? Shall we repeat it, children? How old is she? Third question, what is Rani's father? Once again, third question, what is Rani's father?
Children, let's spell out some new words which are related to our lesson. First one, Mumbai, Mumbai. Second one, Studies, studies. Third one, Football, football. Fourth one, Mother, mother. Fifth one, Office, office. Sixth one, read. Seventh one, father. Eighth one, clinic. Ninth one, doctor. Children, do practice these spellings in your notebook. Okay, children, I hope you understood today's class. Finish your assignment without fail. Thank you and have a good day.